Hello everyone, it's Josh here from Stellar, back again to resolve your queries. Is your computer refusing to boot due to a crashed operating system? Don't worry, in this quick guide, we'll show you how to recover your valuable data using Stellar data recovery software. Step 1. Prepare a bootable recovery drive. First, connect an empty USB drive with at least 8 GB of space to a working computer. Remember, all data on this USB will be erased, so ensure it's backed up. Step 2. Create the recovery drive. Launch Stellar Data Recovery on the working computer. From the side panel, select Recover Non-Boot PC. Click here to create the recovery drive. Choose the connected USB drive from the drop-down menu and click Create Recovery Drive. Confirm when prompted. After the process completes, enter your activation key when prompted. This key was provided via email after your purchase. Step 3. Boot the crashed computer. Now, insert the prepared USB drive into the crashed computer, power on the computer, and access the BIOS settings. Set the USB drive as the primary boot device. Refer to your computer's manual for special instructions. Step 4. Recover your data. Once the computer boots from the USB, Stellar Data Recovery will launch automatically. Select the type of data you wish to recover and click Next. Choose the drive to scan and click Scan. After scanning, preview the recoverable files. Select the ones you want to restore. Click Recover and choose a safe location, preferably an external drive, to save your recovered data. And that's it, you've successfully recovered your data from a crashed computer using Stellar Data Recovery. Remember, regular backups can prevent future data loss.